Well, hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. If you're watching this, then you are probably having trouble with your windshield wipers, and maybe you want to know how to change them or how to know they're bad. And I actually wanted to show you on this one why I need to change it. You can kind of see right here that part of, this part right here is actually coming off of the windshield wiper itself. And so that's one of the big reasons I need to change my windshield wiper. And so, but there's a couple of different things you want to know about this. As you can tell, this one's bad. You can also tell if you're driving and your windshields start getting streaks on them, or it's just not taking the water away well, you need to change your windshield wiper. But here's a couple of tips for that. Number one, you can do this little movement right here where you can move this so you can actually get to the windshield wiper a little easier. And before you actually take this off, you need to go get a new one. And a couple things you need to think about that. Number one, you can actually measure it. You can take a tape measure and you can measure what this size is. So then you can go into the store and get that, or you could Google it, or you could even go into the store and they have little books or little digital things where they can help you figure out which one you need. Also, make sure you check out, because sometimes these are two different sizes. So make sure you check those out as well before you just grab one or grab two and then head out of the store. So that's what you need to do. You need to check these out, grab some windshield wipers, and then I'll show you how to change them as well. All right, so now that you got your other blade you're gonna be working with, you can go ahead and take this blade off. And for different options, there's different kind of ways. This one is actually more of a J hook, and then you can kind of see these two little prongs right here. This little point right there. And then there's also one on the other side. You can kind of pull those out, and when you pop those out, this thing just actually slides right out pretty easily. As you can kind of see now, what you're working with is like little J hook. Some actually have a pin in them, and they kind of do different ways. You can actually do different blades, but you can look at your instructions if you have any questions on that. But you're trying to change out this little hook, so you're good. Then you're going to grab your new windshield wiper. I kind of went with the mid-range, the Rain X. So you can just slide this back in here. Takes a little bit of pressure, but then it'll just kind of click in. You just heard it pop in pretty easily, and then this actually cups back and pops in as well. And then you have your windshield wiper on there and good to go. Hopefully now it works. All right, well, if this video helped you out, if you could like and subscribe, that would greatly help me out. And if you have any questions, you can put them down in the comments, and I would love to help you out as well. Have a great day.